Hi everyone, I am Jisan Alam and today I will show you how I use Turbotic Automation AI platform to automate my daily tasks in just a few clicks. Turbotic AI automation management platform that let you build, monitor and optimize workflow across tools like UiPath, Power Automate and N8N all in one place. I have created lots of automations this like a business starter requirement and recommendation generator, entry level job recommendation, centralized API workflow for cyber security operation. You can just here you can give the prompt and it will automate all the things. The best part in this platform is the security features which is here. If you give any of your data here, like you have given same webhook URL threat intel API, then if you delete it from there, then it will entirely delete it from all the database of the Turbotic AI platform, and Turbotic will not gonna save your any data. This is the best part. I love this part in this automation platform as compared to other platform. They will save our data, but Turbotic is not saving our data. It's the best part in Turbotic platform, and it is the output folder where you can get your output files here like this. Like I will show you one of my output like business startup checklist. This is a business startup checklist. You can refine it by giving prompt again and again like this. What are the requirement to set the business of toy factory? You can automate anything whatever you want, just you need prompt. And the best part, as I have already told, the security features which is provided by the Turbotic AI automation team is the best thing I loved in this platform. Means you can delete your data which you have given in earlier, and it is the best part in whole the automation platform. That's in other platform they will save your data, but in this platform you can easily delete your input data from your user configuration section. Also you can integrate with Microsoft Outlook, Teams, calendars and other files also. Thanks for watching. You can just hit subscribe and share, and also I will recommend you don't forget to try this automation platform. Thank you.